How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail account. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail account. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then here on the search menu, simply search for Gmail. Then here click onto the application. Then scroll down and here you may see an option named App Support. Simply click on the drop down menu of it. Then here simply click on Email. Then wait until you can see a pop-up. Then here simply select a Gmail. Then here you will be redirected to the application Gmail. Now here simply describe your problem briefly, and if possible make sure to provide a screenshot as well. It will be a lot more helpful. After that, simply click on the send button on the top right corner. Then within couple of hours or within couple of days, the team will reach out to you and then fix your problem. And that fix will be genuine, since the fix will be provided to you by the team itself. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.